Hey, so you want to make money online and you want to know what you're doing is actually going to help you to grow in life and in business and enable you to make a real income online. Well, I'm here to show you real results in real time, and I'm in my email list right now. As you can see, the time is 8:11 a.m. in the morning. The date is 6/24/2022. And if you look in the right hand corner, you will see that. And I just wanted to show you these real results. So here was yesterday, and I was paid out. You could see that it says receive funds, and this was on the 23rd. And I also made $100 upgrade. So this enables them to make $120 per month. You could see right there, it's $100, right? And then this morning at 6:23 a.m. here's another $100 upgrade. I'm going to scroll down. There's that $100 upgrade. So you actually are able to make $120 per month with this opportunity. I'm going to show you exactly what it is so you understand. Basically is what it is tools and training. This is a funnel which allows you to actually capture emails and names and emails to actually build up your email list. So if you're shooting a video, let's say on YouTube, you need a way to retain those people, right? So they come to your video, they watch your video, they search how to make money online, they see your video, they put their email in. When they put their email in, it takes them to a page that actually has a video on it and a button where they could get started, right? So the video does all of the telling for you, so you don't have to really do too much because it automates the entire process. So that means if you have videos on YouTube, people are searching you, and then they are signing up even while you're sleeping, so you're making money in your sleep, and that's how it works. And you could also do paid advertising as well to get instant people to your sales funnel. But the key is to build up your email list, because your email list is what you're going to use to actually build a following and help people to actually get to the next level. You're going to give them training, you're going to help them to grow and build in their business, and you're going to give them content. So they're going to be able to actually learn about what you're doing, and you're going to be able to actually help them to make money as well, right? And so here's what this is. And, it wasn't always like this. As you can see right here, my name is on the leaderboards, but I failed for multiple years. I got into multiple things and I got ripped off, and it was basically a bad situation because I didn't really get anything out of it. But I did learn to be careful what you get involved in. You always want it to be quality. You always want to make sure you're going to get support. You always want to make sure that you're going to have somebody there for you to help you to grow in business, right? And since I took my business from offline to online, I've been able to get these results and get on the leaderboard, right? So I just wanted to show that to you. And the funnel builder tool, this tool right here, it's actually $25 a month, and it gives you a $20 a month commission. So out of that $25 a month, you get $5, or you get $20 commission, and the company only keeps $5. So that's really amazing because you get most of the commissions. I wanted more. I wanted to learn about traffic. And here's what people were upgrading to. The $100 commissions were traffic and conversions, and that's where you're going to actually learn all about, how to get traffic, how to create a lead magnet, which is basically something that you give away a value for free. So when they put their email in, it's something that you're giving them. So it could be a PDF giveaway, it could be any kind of giveaway that you give them. So you're going to learn how to create that. You're going to learn who your target market is to make sure that you're actually talking to the right people who want to get involved, people who are actually ambitious to build and grow their business. So you're going to learn all that stuff before you start getting traffic. Then for the free methods, you're going to learn different things like how to launch your business online. You're going to learn how to invite people. You're going to learn how to follow up with them the right way. You're going to learn how to get people from Facebook. You're going to learn how to build a blog, so you'll get search engine people coming to your blog if you want to build a blog out. If you want to do YouTube ranking like I'm doing, which is why you see my videos on top of the search engines, people search online for different things to solve problems. and they come across your video, and that's how you rank your video on YouTube. You're going to learn that if you want to learn that, right? You can learn that method. I highly suggest using Facebook, YouTube, and your email list. You also learn about podcasting, which is like a radio show if you want to do that method. You're also going to learn how to get people from LinkedIn, which is like a professional social media network for professionals. You're going to also learn Facebook Lives, how to do that the right way, and then how to actually launch your business, launch something. So if you have a product, you're going to learn how to actually launch it the right way. That's when you do a presentation, you give value up front and sell on the back end. So basically, when people put their email into your funnel, they come across a video that looks like this. It does all of the explaining for you. Then they could click on a button that actually takes them to a page to actually make a sale, and they get started that way. That's how it works. So you could set this all up and start making money immediately. And these two things give you $120 a month in monthly commission. So you could build up a $3,000 residual income for yourself by just using these tools alone. Then you have your email list, so you could pretty much promote anything you want to your email list that is business oriented, because you're going to start getting business people to it. And then as what I did is I upgraded to the financial literacy, which gives you a $400 commission, and it's a one-time buy. It's not monthly commissions like the other things. This is a one-time buy, and you learn all about financial literacy, how to eliminate debt, and then you learn how to file your taxes as a business owner to save on taxes, so you're not spending all your money on taxes, and you learn how to actually manage your business the right way with bookkeeping, and how to keep your records the right way and plan for retirement if you're working a job, right? So you're going to learn that stuff. Then when you start making money, you have to invest it. So when you invest your money into property and assets like that, then you have assets, and you could actually make money from your assets, and you don't have to pay taxes on it, right? So you want to learn how to invest, which is really important, and you're also going to learn how to avoid scams and avoid loss, right? Which is really important because a lot of people get scammed out here with businesses, and this is actually something that's going to help you to actually build and grow your business online. And when you get started in the traffic and conversions portion, there's live coaching, which means you could be on live Zoom face-to-face every single week, and you could get on, there's a Monday night mastermind, which teaches you all about, marketing. So you could get on, you could ask questions, and they go over what's working now in business to actually get results, right? So there's a Monday night mastermind right here, and then there's a daily Grow Rich call, which helps you with mindset, helps you get in the right state of mind, so that way you can have positive energy coming to you, and you could actually make sales. And that's what that does. And then there's a Take Action Mastermind, which is daily as well, and that actually is when the owners of the company and the leaders go over the shoulder and they show you what they're doing live in their business to actually get results. So this stuff is live, right? And you could get into it and learn how to build a business online live without being stuck, right? You'll never be stuck. And so this is what this stuff does. So altogether, you have the potential of earning over $500 per sign up. And if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you to actually set this stuff up, and I'm going to give you some guidance of how to actually market your business online. And I'm going to actually help you to get at least 1,000 people per month to see your opportunity, because I am a traffic provider, and when you get started with me, I'm able to help you to actually get people to see this offer, right? So, make sure you click on the links below this video. If you're watching from my email list or YouTube, make sure you click on those links below this video, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I also have my Facebook group in the description of this video, so you could get in there, and we do a lot of things to actually help you to grow online and grow your business online. And it's free to get in. It's free to get into, so you could do that and actually start getting results. All right, so make sure you click on those links below this video. Also set up your call with me. If you have any questions, there's also links in the description to set up a live call with me so you could get help immediately and start getting results. All right, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.